Top smart home devices to watch in 2024. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of smart home technology. With rapid advancements in this field, 2024 is set to be a game-changing year for smart devices. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking to upgrade your home, this video is for you. Let's explore the top smart home devices to watch in 2024. **1. Smart thermostats. Smart thermostats have come a long way, and 2024 is bringing even more innovative features. These devices can learn your habits, adjust temperatures automatically, and integrate seamlessly with other smart home systems to provide optimal energy efficiency. Here are some of the features you can expect. AI learning. The latest models will use AI to learn your schedule and preferences, ensuring your home is always at the perfect temperature. Remote control. Control your thermostat from anywhere using your smartphone or voice assistant. Energy reports. Get detailed reports on your energy usage and suggestions on how to save more. Integration. Seamlessly integrate with other smart devices, like smart blinds or smart fans, to create a holistic home environment. *2. Home security systems. Security is paramount, and the latest smart home security systems are smarter than ever. Expect to see advanced facial recognition technology, AI-driven threat detection, and integrated systems that combine cameras, alarms, and emergency response features. Here's what to look out for. Facial recognition. Advanced systems can recognize familiar faces and alert you of unknown visitors. AI threat detection. AI can analyze activity and distinguish between a potential threat and normal behavior, reducing false alarms. Comprehensive integration. Systems that integrate cameras, doorbells, window sensors, and alarms into one cohesive unit. Remote monitoring. Monitor your home in real time from anywhere in the world with your smartphone. *3. Smart lighting. Lighting can dramatically change the ambience of your home, and smart lighting systems are becoming more versatile. The 2024 models will offer improved energy efficiency, voice control, and a wider range of customization options. Consider these features. Dynamic color changing. Lights that can change colors and intensity based on time of day or activity. Energy efficiency. New smart bulbs use less energy and last longer than traditional bulbs. Voice control. Easily control your lighting setup with voice commands through your smart assistant. Scheduling and automation. Set schedules for your lights to turn on and off automatically, enhancing security and convenience. *4. Voice assistants. Voice assistants are evolving, becoming more intuitive and capable of understanding complex commands. New updates in 2024 will focus on better natural language processing, making interaction smoother and more human-like. Key improvements include enhanced natural language processing, improved AI that can understand and respond to more complex queries. Increased compatibility, ability to control a wider range of smart devices and services. Multi-user support, recognize and respond to multiple users in the household, providing personalized responses. Routine automation. Set up routines where multiple actions are triggered by a single command, like good morning, turning on the lights, starting the coffee maker, and giving you the weather update. *5. Smart appliances. From refrigerators to washing machines, smart appliances are making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. In 2024, smart appliances will feature enhanced connectivity, allowing them to communicate with each other and with your smart home ecosystem. Look for these features. Predictive maintenance. Appliances that can alert you before a breakdown occurs, saving time and money on repairs. Energy-saving modes. Automatically adjust settings to minimize energy use while maintaining performance. Remote control and monitoring. Start your washing machine, preheat your oven, or check your fridge contents from your smartphone. Integration with grocery services. Some smart fridges can track food inventory and even order groceries when you're running low. *6. Robotic vacuums and mops. Keeping your home clean has never been easier with the latest robotic vacuums and mops. The 2024 models will come with better navigation, improved suction power, and the ability to handle different types of flooring seamlessly. Look for these features. Advanced navigation, improved sensors and mapping technology ensure efficient cleaning routes. Increased suction power, better suction to handle dirt, pet hair, and debris on various surfaces. Multi-surface cleaning, ability to transition seamlessly from carpets to hardwood floors. Self-emptying and self-cleaning, some models will empty their dustbins and clean their brushes, reducing maintenance. **7. Smart Home Hubs. Smart home hubs are crucial for connecting and controlling all your devices. The new hubs in 2024 will offer faster processing, broader compatibility with various smart home standards, and improved user interfaces. Key features to look for include: centralized control, manage all your smart devices from a single interface. Broader compatibility, support for a wider range of smart home protocols and devices. User-friendly interface, easy-to-use apps and interfaces that make managing your smart home simple. Enhanced security, improved security features to protect your smart home from cyber threats. **8. Smart Doorbells. Smart doorbells are an essential part of any smart home security system. The latest models come with advanced features to enhance security and convenience. Here's what to expect in 2024. High-definition video, crystal-clear video feeds with night vision capabilities. Two-way audio, speak to visitors or delivery personnel remotely using your smartphone. Motion detection, receive alerts when someone approaches your door, even if they don't ring the bell. Facial recognition, advanced models can recognize familiar faces and alert you of unknown visitors. *9. Smart Mirrors. Smart mirrors are becoming a popular addition to smart homes, offering a blend of functionality and technology. Here's what's new for 2024. Integrated displays, mirrors that display information like weather updates, news, and your calendar. Voice control, control the mirror's functions and connected devices using voice commands. Health monitoring, some smart mirrors can monitor your health stats like weight and BMI. Augmented reality, try on clothes or makeup virtually using augmented reality features. *10. Smart Beds. Smart beds are designed to improve your sleep quality by adjusting to your needs. The 2024 models will offer sleep tracking, monitor your sleep patterns and provide insights to help you sleep better. Adjustable settings, change the firmness, temperature, and position of your bed using a smartphone app. Integration with smart home devices, sync your bed with other devices like smart lights and thermostats for a better sleep environment. Health monitoring, some smart beds can monitor your heart rate, breathing, and movement during sleep. Conclusion: 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year for smart home technology. These devices are not just about convenience but also about improving your quality of life and enhancing home security. Which smart home device are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share,